Hi everyone, I am Anant Prakash and this is my YouTube channel where I am teaching people how to use Google Sheets in their day-to-day lives. For past couple of weeks I have been using Google Sheets to create a personal budget sheet, and I am sharing with all of you how you can use Google Sheet in creating this sheet and making changes in this sheet and advancing this sheet with each passing video. And in this video we are going to use VLOOKUP formula, and we will see how it can enhance the impact of our sheet. So let's do it. So this is our monthly sheet where we will be adding daily transactions. So I'll just show you one example. Let's say today is day 20th of July. I have added one shave. It will go into grooming and it will cost me around 1200 rupees. And then we will be seeing that how all each expenses are adding up into the categories. You'll see here in the expense column you can see that entertainment is costing us 1760 rupees, grooming is costing us 2900 rupees, and health is costing us 1500 rupees. Okay, but you can see that grooming is in green, transport is in 74 and is also in green, but all of other items are in red. It is because I have done the conditional formatting after budgeting my total expenses. Here is the budget. You can see I have decided that I will be spending 500 rupees on entertainment, 4000 rupees on food, and 3000 rupees on grooming, and so on. I also have decided to check how much is remained, and if I am going overboard on any certain food category. So here you can see that I am going overboard in almost all categories except this grooming and except this transport. And you can, if you look at here, you can see this is using VLOOKUP formula. So let's learn how to use VLOOKUP formula. I'm doing it in front of you. So I want to know this amount is budgeted amount, like this much money I have allocated for entertainment in each month. So but I want to check how much of this money is gone, and if I have spent more than this money, so I'll subtract it with this amount, because this is a actual expenses. Okay, I can easily get 1260 rupees, but I want to show you how you can use VLOOKUP formula. It is like using a difficult way to solve an easy problem. Okay, so I want to know how much I have spent in entertainment. Then range will be this, index will be 2 because I want to get the expense, and then how you will get the number 1260. Now usually if you draw it down you will get the desired result, but not in this case, because you can see here the range is A1 to B9, but if you go to a second cell, then it will go to A2 to B10, A3 to B11, A4 to B12, and A5 to B13. So I need to fix it. How would I fix it? I would just log these cells here by adding a $sign in both. I'll cover the cell referencing in the next video. So if you now drag it down, you will get the right number. I have also used VLOOKUP formula in conditionally formatting these cells. You can see here, if B2 is greater than this, then it will go red. So whenever it will cross this amount, it will go red. I'll just show you how it will happen. So I have decided to spend 1200 to 3000 rupees, and if I just make it 1400 rupees, it will go green because the allocated amount was only 3000 rupees and I have spent 3100 rupees. And this is how it will happen. But in transport, you can see that I have allocated 500,000 rupees, but I have spent only 740 rupees. So this is why it is green. So this is how you can use VLOOKUP formula. Thank you so much for being with me and supporting this channel. I have seen this family grow up a bit. So thank you so much.